Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Hinge account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your phone number. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can directly start interacting with various different profiles. Now, if you wish to deactivate your profile and you don't wish to use the Hinge account anymore, then tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner. This will now take you into your profile page. From here, click on the gear icon at the top right, and this will now take you into your settings page. From here, you can scroll all the way down and you will see the delete or pause account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now be asked to choose a reason. After choosing the appropriate reason, you will see the options to pause as well as delete your account. Now, if you wish to deactivate your account temporarily, then you can tap on the pause account option. When you tap on this, you will be asked to confirm your identity by entering the verification code that has been sent to your phone. After verifying your identity through the code, your account will be paused right away and you will be logged out from the Hinge application. After this, your account has been deactivated, but if you wish to use your account once again at any time, you can simply log into the Hinge app and it will once again be reactivated. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to deactivate your account on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.